Hey, welcome to the channel. Here are 5 things I wish I knew as a new hunter. Here are 5 things I wish I knew as a new hunter. So you want to be a hunter and you probably came up with ideas. You've got your hunter safety license, you got a bunch of ideas, you got your gun or bow or crossbow or whatever have you, and you're ready to get out there. So here are 5 things I wish I knew as a new hunter. Number 1, that's close to my heart, you're going to be cold. So layer up specifically. Does it have to be the most expensive stuff? No. Does it have to be Walmart and you want to hold that tight to your heart? No. But you also want to make sure that you prepare that you're using a proper layering system to keep you warm or cold in the winter, in the summer, and in the fall. And hell, you may even need a jacket because of the rain. 2, animals have superpowers. They don't have superpowers, but you want to make sure that you're researching the animal because hearing, vision could be a thing. The way you hunt a turkey is very different than how you would hunt a whitetail. Whitetail, you want to make sure that your scent control is that you're actually using your scent control. That's really taking time to smell and thinking about the smells and odors that are coming from you and your vehicle. Because if they're strong to you, think about how strong they are to the whitetail. Your gear will not make you Rambo, right? The gear is not the thing. You can look cool, but you want to make sure that you're taking wind direction, wind control in account. You want to make sure that you're being quiet, being stealthy, that you want to make sure that you're also not crackling every little Debbie cake when you're sitting in the tree, and that your phone is not freaking on super bright. Those are just little things that you want to think about in the woods because it's dark, it's quiet, and then there you are snacking on little Debbies. Number 4, you're going to miss, and it's okay. That's one thing no one will tell you. You have to prepare in the off season. Take the time, get with friends, and shoot in different environments. Shoot sitting from a seated position, standing position, in a saddle, in a climber, whatever method it is. Make sure that you're actually preparing for a game-like situation. No different than basketball, volleyball, or soccer. It's just a level of preparation. 5, this is going to be one of your superpowers, is be patient. That's something no one will tell you, but 80% of your time of hunting will be waiting. And there's going to be that hard 20% when the deer is actually going to come and your adrenaline is going to be high. Then you have to prepare and drag the deer out. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing that time and not ruining that time that you're waiting, right? Being visible. I know I have a tendency of looking down at my phone. I look up and a deer is staring at me. So that's something I know personally I have to work on. So take the time and think about what is going to affect you while you're waiting and how you are going to be patient. And that's why the 5 things we talked about, being comfortable, being warm, and being consistent, will not waste your time away from your family and loved ones. And that's why the 5 things we talked about, being comfortable, being warm, and being consistent, will not waste your time away from your family and loved ones. Hey, thanks for watching. These are 5 things I wish I knew before I started hunting.